Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own DIY budget-friendly mom-to-be basket with just a few items from your local Dollar Tree. Now, I know when it comes to a mom-to-be basket, you want it to have something that's meaningful. So my first idea is this personalized notebook. I do have a full tutorial on this. I'll have this linked up above. And it's something very simple by just using a Dollar Tree notebook, and is covering the front and back cover with your own personalized message or even the mother's name in front. This project is a great project because it's easy to do. You can create this in Canva or even in Cricut Design Space. Make sure to check out the full tutorial listed above. The second budget-friendly idea is taking a hair tie from your local Dollar Tree or hair bow and personalizing that. So I took a picture of the packaging and brought that into Cricut Design Space so I could just make my own packaging, just using that as a guide. And once I was happy with the template, I went ahead and personalized the packaging to match my notebook that I made earlier. So once I sent the file to print and cut, now I can replace that bland packaging and add my personalized packaging using just glossy photo paper. And this looks so cute. I could go ahead and just toss that, and now I have a cute personalized packaging to add to my gift basket. The third and final idea I thought would be great to add to the basket was just to personalize some fuzzy socks that I found at my local Dollar Tree. These socks are really soft and really comfortable, so just using some HTV vinyl, I just went ahead and personalized these socks with a little sentiment. This one says Mom Life, and just using my heat mini just on low temperature, I just went ahead and ironed on the HTV to the sock and then tied it with some ribbon. And on the ribbon, I added the mother's name, the mom-to-be's name. And even though this was a mom-to-be basket, I did go ahead and just add a little onesie for the baby with the baby's name. And I do have a video about me trying out this HTV iron-on. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot. And we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda.